This is Mama Mish, and today in my magic kitchen, sweet Matzo Brei. Ba, ba, ba. This is the Matzo Brei of my childhood. Very few ingredients, very easy to make, and very good use of matzah in a week where that's all you can eat. Joking, not joking. There's also a delicious savory Matzo Brei recipe I've shared on our YouTube channel and website in which we use our delicious twice stolen spice. I learned that one from my dear friend Esther Mohawk. I mentioned that in the voiceover. In the time between making that video and this one, Ezra left this plane. She was a gifted and highly underrated singer-songwriter, and when I was a child, I was a big fan of Schoolhouse Rocks. She happens to be one of the singers. I love that little tidbit about her, and I highly recommend you seek out and listen to her music and not just the songs Cyndi Lauper and Tina Turner recorded. I was renting a room from her in Nashville when she first made her savory Matzo Brei for me. One of the many memories made with her crazy ass. This Matzo Brei is my momster's way. Both are delicious, and both were learned in the kitchens of great women. Try them both this Passover. Let Mama Mish make your kitchen magic.
This looks so good and it smells so good. And it takes me back to Yaya's kitchen. Tasty. Let's eat.